Good morning, everybody. Hope y'all are doing good. In this episode, we're going over sealing your board with a varnish, painting your board, and then gripping your board. So sit back, relax, and hope you enjoy the process. And we'll catch. All right. So I wiped it down with some alcohol just to clean it up a little bit. Got a nice little skateboard painting jigs all ready to go. Gonna do the Valley Urethane Diamond Wood Finish Crystal Clear Outdoor. Shake. Nice little pro tip: when you're done, wrap your brushes in plastic bags and they last longer. That is a great tip that I got from RoaRockIt. All right. And then we just good. Get it on there. Let's get it on. Hope I don't get a strike or whatever. Yes, I do like that. That is nice. Okay. I'll call that good for coat one. I can paint the other side while this side dries. What? No way. No way, man. You're crazy, dude. Okay. Now we'll wrap this up. We'll let it dry. And we'll see where we're at in about half an hour. Okay. Okay, time for coat number 2. I can't even remember, honestly, at this point, what YouTube video I watched or who told me that you should do 3 coats of varnish or urethane, whatever this is, varethane, and then paint. And then I've heard another dude say paint then finish. So I definitely like the way this finish gives, the look this finish gives. Does make it feel like a much more manufactured board, if you will. Just finishing that up with the color instead of seeing it blank before you paint it. You could comment onto YouTube from your TV. Right. So we'll just throw on our second coat of varnish. Boom. And honestly though, this is a great tip. Like, I've had it with my glue brush wrapped for at least a month now, and it's still doing perfect. I think probably like 6 weeks. This one, the urethane and the foam, doesn't work as well, but still, it's a good tip. We will see you when we paint. Hello, everybody. So it is the next day. It's all dried with the 2 coats of the varethane or whatever. And now I'm gonna go paint it. I would talk you through it, but we got I believe a 4-year-old's birthday party next door, so probably just throw the painting on time lapse and then talk about it afterwards. All right, enjoy. Then here we go. I'm just whitewashing it to make the colors pop a little more. And then we'll move on to the bottom graphic. And we'll just start out with doing our background colors and kind of getting our sunset going. So at this point, I was pretty pleased with how it was going until I pulled it off right there and I ruined my background I'm trying to figure out how I can cover it up, and I just decided, nope, let's just start this graphic all over, give myself a little more wiggle room for mistakes and everything, and pretty happy with the way it ended up turning out. Glad I made the decision to just redo the whole thing. So then we're just finishing up the painting with a couple of lightning bolts, some glow-in-the-dark spray paint, and some crystal clear lacquer just to seal the whole graphic. Should say I picked this graphic because the main influences when I was a kid for me to want to skateboard were Michelangelo from Ninja Turtles and Bart Simpson. So this is me paying tribute to them. So graphics all painted. There's the top, pretty pumped on it. Bottom, pretty pumped on it. I think what's happening here, so I'm not intending for this to happen, is the lacquer I'm using is actually separating the paint when it dries. So won't be using, I'm gonna try to not use that stuff anymore. I feel like there's been a shortage on crystal clear lacquer around my area, so comment below if you're having the same problem. Anyway, now it's time to grip it. We've got this fine piece of grip tape here that I did as a test run for a future project. Pretty stoked on it. So let's grip it so we can rip it. This bad boy, it's got a lot of miles on it. I've had it since I was 19, and I took it from the Copeland's board shop in Roseville when they closed. I believe that would have been January of 07. So that's a lot of boards. Finished product, gripped, ready to rip. Just need some trucks. All right, guys, so now your board is painted, it's gripped, and it's ready to rip. And in the next episode, we're gonna take it for a cruise and see what this bad boy can do. And I may have a little bonus item for you. So tune in next time to find out what that could be, and stay tubular, y'all. All right, later.